and gentlemen, super loud, sorry. This right here, that right there, that's happening. It's gonna get crazy. We're gonna go do some surprise action. Here's all the other ones around here. Pretty fancy dancy. He must work out. Cousin Seth, he's the happiest guy I know, Cousin Seth. Super hard to see where we are because it's super dark. And we're landing now on a very small island. We're just landed. And whoop, there goes the cell phone. Look at my cool little monitor right here. It's a 32-inch screen right there. Surprise continues. If you are wondering, they got some switches, headphone jack right there for your little mini 6-inch screen. We got a power plug right here. I was doing a lot of editing on the plane as we were coming down. This particular one folds back real nice. It's a plush little seat. It has a little swivel to it. Hit your switches here. This one, not so much, a little bit. That backs up against the back little wall right there though. Nice mahogany. All right, we're leaving, but I gotta show you a little tour of the bathroom. Oh, no, locked. No, never mind. So, if you could spot the toilet, you get a $5 bill.
I love that you're doing this.
$5 bill, where is it? Where is it? Oh, we gotta use it. Okay. Right there, underneath the couch. And here we go. Where are we going? What are you doing, Chris? Where are you going? What are you doing? Welcome to the Westin Cozumel, where all your dreams will come true if you come to the Westin Cozumel. Chris, what are you doing down in Cozumel? Well, we're gonna get to that in just a second. Beautiful hotel though. Oh boy, this is pretty fancy. This is pretty fancy, my friends. Let's see. Oh. Did we get it? No, I don't think we got it. Hold on. There we go. I think we got it that time. No? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I did that wrong. You're supposed to push the door in. Okay, let's take a look. Whoa, goodness gracious. Let's turn some lights on. Whoa, goodness gracious, my friends. Wow, that's pretty cool. King bed, chill area. I got a corner. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. Welcome to Cozumel, Mexico. That's gonna be pretty cool in the morning. We're gonna save that for the morning. Wrapping around, look at this, cool. I got my little coffee bar over there. I got my little slider right here. My bathroom. Look at this shower. Ladies and gentlemen, the Westin of Cozumel. I think I'm gonna have to review this place. Goodness gracious, what's up, Cristoforo? Ladies and gentlemen, no, I didn't win the lottery. No, I did not. What's this? Place a little bathroom in here with some fresh cottonelle. No, this was a beautiful, wonderful gift from my cousin Seth. We're celebrating his 40th birthday. And so I don't know where the light switches are. So he was gracious enough to treat his friends and family to a beautiful trip. And we're doing an extended trip after 0G. Hello, how are you? Right there. Looking absolutely fantastic. I think we are going to dinner, so I do need to drop my bags and go here. I'm getting a little bit of reflection off the window, as you can see, but let's look at the moon from my corner room. I think this is another hotel down here. This is a different one down here, but I'm right on the corner. Really chill, really safe. We just had dinner with a local that says Cozumel is super safe. And as you can see, there's another hotel down there. This is the Westin. I'm gonna do a full review, I think on the other channel, but very reasonably priced for a Westin hotel. Alrighty, 8:30 in the morning. Let's take a little gander at the view. Oh boy. So this is all the inland part right here. Nice lush green. Definitely reminds me of my trips down to Brazil. We are on, looks like propane, huge propane tanks. This is the protected side. It is a little bit windy this morning here. This is the protected side. So we have mainland, like Tulum, and Cancun would be up the coast, whatever direction that is. But Tulum is pretty close-ish over there on that side. And then you have over there on the unprotected side, which we can't see, that would be the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean over there on that side. This is all your downtown area there. A lot of your cruise ships way down there. We can't really see those. We're kind of at the far tip down this direction is where the Westin is. Looks like you do have a little zip line course right over here. And then nice, beautiful blue aqua water here. Forgive the wind. Nice spot to have a little cup of coffee. I'll tell you what, a little prayer time. Now there is, again, sorry for the wind, I'll try to cover it up there. There is a breakfast spot down here at the Westin Hotel, right on the water here, overlooking the beautiful water. Again, that little cove right here, I definitely want to swim in that. We got Scuba right here, baby. Getting our refresher course. Got our tank set up right here. Looking really, really good. We're gonna go out here a little bit, get a refresher course, and then go out on the boat. Next dive. Bags are packed. We're getting in the boat. This is where you snorkel right here. Beautiful beach. Hotel right yonder right there. Bags are packed. We're gonna go do a little diving. If you are wondering, Tulum is over there. Cancun again is way up the coast here. We are on the sheltered side of the island, meaning that we are facing inland Mexico right there. This is our wonderful dive crew and team. All right, here we go, baby. We got cruise ships behind us over yonder. Big old cruise ships getting ready to dive. Hair's looking good. That's called the Caribbean hairstyle right there. Let's go. Woo! Look at this big boat right here. That's a big boat. That's some clear water, folks. That is some clear water. Did not know that a GoPro can't go under 30 feet without it being waterproof, so you need a case on top of it for diving. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we need to get out there for a cup of coffee looking at this view. Good night. Again, 10th floor, end unit balcony. Look at how blue the water is. People are still swimming down there. And that sunset with these clouds that make it look so awesome. And again, I think Tulum would be right there. Probably 30-minute boat ride, if that. Seems pretty close. It keeps getting better and better as it drops down below the clouds. Amazing. Leisurely stroll you can actually get from our hotel to where we're going to dinner tonight. This is the walk, and the restaurant is over there. You kind of have to walk through different hotels and restaurants, but you'll eventually get there. Little washed up buoy.